Once the evaluator receives the certified copy from the head of the department, he double clicks and opens it in Adobe Reader. Here the evaluator has received the certified copy. Next, for the purpose of evaluation and correction, the concerned evaluator can go to the signature option once again and left click on it. On doing so, these options will be visible. The color of the ink that will be used for making annotations in the document can be changed by clicking on the black bubble which is visible here. Once we click with a left mouse button, the color palette will come up and we'll select the appropriate color of ink, and then after we can select the symbols that we require to place on the answer script. We can access the correction mark visible here. There is a cross mark. We can also type in the marks alongside the evaluated answer. This is shown here. In this way we can evaluate the entire answer script. Once the answer script has been evaluated and corrected, the evaluator can place his or her signature at the bottom of the answer script by going into the signature panel and clicking on the Add Signature option. A new menu will open up, and therein we will make sure that the type option is active, and then we will type here corrected by and the name of the evaluator. After doing so, click on apply. Once this is done, this will be visible and we can place it on appropriate position in the answer script by dragging and clicking the left mouse button. Once this is done, we will go to the file option and select save as. Select the folder where we want to save this corrected answer script, and we can rename it as Specimen Answer Script Certified Corrected and click on the save button. Once the answer script is saved, then we can repeat this process with the other answer scripts. It is of interest to see that since we have already typed in our signature, we don't have to do this again and again, as the same signature will be available for reuse.